Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Chantel and today we are doing a very exciting video. I am playing with the new Colourpop Villain collection. Now I don't have the whole collection, but I do have the eyeshadow palette, the Ursula collection and the Maleficent collection. So I'm broke and I cannot afford to buy, the whole collection. So I basically got what I think that I will use the most and what I'll get the most use out of. So the Ursula and the Maleficent, for example, their highlighters work beautiful with my skin tone, and I also loved the lipsticks and the lip glosses that you get with the collection. And I wasn't sure whether I was actually going to get the palette because their pictures online, it just doesn't look great, and I was like, I was really umming and ahhing about it. And then they actually posted a swatch of it on their Instagram and I was like, wow, the pigment shades look so pretty. I was like, I need to have that shade. I need to have that palette so bad. Okay, so with the packaging, I am literally obsessed. So this is the eyeshadow palette packaging. So it is very, very cool. It's like a matte, and then you've got their symbols of the villains in a gloss, and it's like neon. I love it. And then when we open it up, this is the palette. So it is just so cool, you guys. I love it. It's like a kaleidoscope, but it's actually just pictures of all the villains, and I just think that's so cool. And I just wish that they put mirrors in these palettes. That is the one thing that is annoying me with this palette, but I just love that holographic packaging. It's so pretty. So when you look at this palette, you're a bit it's not great, but wow, when you actually start playing with these shades, they are beautiful. So I'm just going to do a few finger swatches. So Diablo, which is what I have on my inner corner, is a beautiful green. You've got Forest of Thorns, a beautiful purple. What else is there? You've got Sing, which is a beautiful dark purple. Facile. They are so beautiful, and you've actually got quite a few neutral shades to play with as well. So you've got these transition shades here. You've got some beautiful copper shimmer shades too, such as Flotsam, Underworld, Mongrels is a beautiful highlighter shade. That's what I have on my inner corner. So you can do a lot with this palette, and I'm so excited to do some more looks with it. I also wanted to show you guys the Disney Princess collection next to the villain one. So they are the exact same size, and if you actually pair these two together, you get an amazing range, because the Princess palette is more of your neutrals. How pretty is that? You can do so many looks with having both of these palettes. It's so cool. But moving on to the little collections, and I've got the Ursula and the Maleficent one, and the packaging on this, how pretty. It reminds me of Suicide Squad, how it's all neon. It's just so cool. Even I'm keeping these to just put in my beauty room because I just can't chuck them away. They're so cool. So when you open them up, you get a pack of 3. So you get the Super Shock highlighter, the Luxe lipstick and the gloss. And I love how they put the neon little signs on the highlighters so that you get to keep that little bit of packaging. I love all the details. With the Luxe lipstick, they've got the shell, and they've just put so much detail and thought into this. The graphic designer for Colourpop is so talented. Amazing. So the Ursula lipstick is what I have on my lips right now, and it is so beautiful. I'm loving it. Like, I never ever normally wear dark lipstick shades, but like, it's a vibe, right? And it's got villains written like on the lipstick. I think that's so cool. And then the Maleficent one is a beautiful, like, it's like a fuchsia hot pink, and I cannot wait to put this on. I think it's so pretty, and oh, I just love it. I love the packaging, guys. Like, I cannot get over the packaging. So as you guys can see, I played with quite a lot of color and tried to do as many shades as I could to make an eye look, just so you guys can see how the shades perform. And I honestly, I just love the formula of Colourpop. I've never had a problem with any of their shades. They blend so nice all the time, so blendable, and the shimmers, they're so good. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have done one eye off camera, and I've already done my face makeup and brows, so we can get straight into it. So I'm just taking my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into 2 shades to start my transition. And we're going in with Devious and Tragic. I'm speaking a little bit softly because everyone is still asleep and still in bed, and I don't want to wake them up. I feel like mixing these 2 shades is a really beautiful transition. So now I'm going to be taking my Zoeva 228 brush, and I'm going in with the Fates, which is the beautiful blue. So in the pan it looks really dark, but then when you actually put it on the eye, it's just so beautiful. Like, I love this blue shade. So basically I'm just going to be working this on the crease line. So don't worry about putting it really on the lid at all. And you just want to put a little bit on your brush at a time and just keep dipping back and forth with it. So I am doing a halo eye, so I'm going to make the outer corners darker, and I'm taking my Morphe M562 brush. It's a very tiny brush and it is great to get in the inner corners. And I'm going to be taking Sing and Revenge. So these are like the metallic shades in here. And then I'm going to be taking 101, which is the black shade, and placing that on the outer corner. And on the inner corner as well. And then I'm going back to the Fates and putting that over the black. So then it kind of looks like you've got a dark blue. So now for some fun, I'm going to be using the NYX primer. I only just bought this yesterday and I didn't even know that they had a pigment primer, and I love it. I think that the pigments just applied so much easier. They were so vibrant, and yeah, I'm pretty obsessed with this. So I'm just putting it on one of my Anastasia brushes and just putting it in the center. It does apply very easily, like I'm so impressed with this product. So now I'm taking another Anastasia brush and I'm using this and I'm going in with the Forest of Thorns, which is a beautiful purple. It is so pretty, and I'm basically going to put this on the outer edge of where I've just put that primer. And then I'm just taking a Zoeva 230 pencil brush and going into Diablo. Oh, I love this shade so much. And just placing that on the inner corner. Don't worry about blending too much. We're going to do that a bit later. Just want to place that on. Like, look how pigmented that is. Oh, the camera just doesn't even do it justice. Like, hello. So pretty. And now I'm just gonna get my finger and go in with the Diablo, like, oh, and just place that on. And the lid's done. So I'm just going to do my under eye. I'm actually going to put some lashes on first and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I've just stuck the lashes on and I haven't put mascara or anything yet. So now I'm going in with my Morphe M506 brush. This is a great brush for underneath. And I'm going in with the Fates first and just gliding that under the eye. I also put some purple eyeliner in my waterline, and I used the Maybelline Colour Show crayon in Matita Ochi. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I love it. It just gives that little bit of something else. Okay. So now we're going back in with the Zoeva 230 pencil brush and going in with the Diablo, and I'm putting that just like in the middle. So now for the highlighter shade, I just take a little brush like this and I'm going in with the shade Mongrels, and oh my gosh, this shade is so pretty for a highlight, you guys. It's so pretty. Like, I would love to use this shade like on the lid if you did like a beautiful like brown smoky eye. So pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to put some mascara on and then we can come play with some highlighters and some lipsticks. Alright guys, so we are playing with the Ursula and Maleficent highlighters. Oh, I'm so excited. So Ursula is a beautiful purple. Oh, that packaging. Oh, so freaking pretty. I just like cannot get over it. Cannot get over it at all. Okay, so I'm going to place Ursula on the cheek area. Ooh, she's pretty. It's like a subtle purple. Ooh, she's nice. I like it. That's so pretty. It is very subtle. People get quite scared when you say a purple highlighter, but I definitely think that this is wearable. So now we're going in with Maleficent, and this is like a beautiful champagne. So I'm going to just stick this on my nose, see how she is. She's pretty. I actually might just put this over the top. Yes, she's blinding. And I also just want to mention too that you get 8.5 grams. So this highlighter is going to last you like for ages, especially me because I have like 1,000 highlighters. But it's huge and I just love the packaging. It's just so much detail and oh, it's just so beautiful. I think it's like my favorite packaging so far that Colourpop or any brand has ever done. Now moving on to lipstick, and we are going in with the Ursula shade. This is a crazy dark color. It is called Ursula. Oh, we vibing. Oh, I feel like I'm going to feel like a bad bitch with this on. I'm actually so excited to transform. Ooh. Oh, she's pigmented. Damn. Oh, I love it. I'm loving this. Damn. Damn, girl. I never wear dark lipsticks, but I'm loving this. Okay, so now for lip gloss, I'm going in with the Maleficent one. It's called My Pet, and this looks so pretty. I'm so excited to put this on. So yeah, it's just their ultra glossy lip. And mine came a bit damaged, so I don't know how this is going to go. The lip brush is a bit how's your father, but yeah. Oh my god. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Alright guys, this is the final finished look and I am vibing this look so much. I am feeling bad to the bone right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this look and like what I created with this palette. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the love and support from you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!